Welcome back to MacPhee Ford, and today we're taking a look at this pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. This pre-owned F-150 was recently traded in here at MacPhee Ford. This is the XTR pack, so you have the white paint with the two-tone, the chrome 20-inch alloys, the chrome running board, a few nice necessities. It's getting on the inside. You do have a remote entry keypad getting in. You do have your power window controls, power mirror controls, leather arm sill, lots of door storage, and then you have the cloth seats, power for the driver, manual for the passenger. You do have inside fog light controls, truck bed lighting, electric parking brake, power adjustable foot pedals, and then getting up inside the F-150, you do have the column shifter. Go ahead and start it up. You can see you have your drive modes on the column shifter as well. Getting into the smaller screen here, you have a digital speedometer, you have trip and fuel settings with a compass, you've got engine information, transmission temperature, you've got a towing section, an off-road section, and various settings. On the steering wheel, you have cruise control on the left, on the right is your hands-free and media controls. Your drive modes on the column shifter are normal, towing and haul, snow and wet, eco, and sport mode. You have the sync system here. Above that is your traction control, four-way flashers, and auto start-stop. Your sync system, you have a home navigation, home section, so you have your radio, your compass, and your phone if it's connected. You go over here, switch to satellite radio, CD, or Bluetooth radio. You've got various sound settings in here you can control. You've got mobile apps, general, you've got 911 assist built in, you've got a Wi-Fi hotspot. You can configure the display. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay is equipped, and then you have various vehicle settings. Moving down, you have your manual media controls. To the left of that is your four-wheel drive controls, and then you have your Pro Trailer backup. You have your climate section, heated seats for both passenger and driver, a small cubby under here which has two USB ports, and then loads of storage in the center console with two cup holders. To the right, you also have a 12-volt outlet and a household plug. Center console, nice big leather center console, lots of storage in here. You can fit a bunch of stuff in here. You have this cubby here that comes in and out just like so. And then up top you do have your rear window slider for that window back there. Coming around towards the back of the F-150, you do have the XTR badge, your chrome rear bumper with those rear park sensors, trailer hitches installed, your license plate, and then your backup camera right below the tailgate handle. You do have your bed liner in here. It is spraying, a little bit of snow, won't come with the vehicle, don't worry. You do have your LED box lighting in here, so you can control the LED lighting for the box, light up the back of the box, and you have various clamp points all around the back of the box as well. Getting into the back seat of the F-150, you do have the storage on the door in the back. You get this cloth 60-40 split seats. These fold up very easily, and then you have a bunch of storage back here. You can also fold this one forward here to reveal your spare tire tool and fuel nozzle. Getting up inside the F-150, you have a nice grab handle there, and then you have a cubby in front of you for storage, two cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, and then even more power points back here for your rear passengers to charge up their devices. And you have adjustable vents, and then you have a dome light in the center here with various modes. Getting over to the side of the F-150 XLT, come up here, you do have your halogen headlights with the chrome front end, chrome bumpers, chrome fog light covers. You have your plow prep package and your engine block heater. As always, we encourage you to come out over to MacPhee Ford to take a look at this 2018 F-150 for yourself. We thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.